When you notice your roof is damaged, the sooner you can address it, the less headache you're going to have in the future.
If you've had damage to your home and you've let it go for quite a while, obviously there could be repercussions to that. 1, missing shingles. 2, hail damage. Water can get in through the cracks. Missing shingles can get into the synthetic felt. And then we also like to get there as soon as possible to tarp the shingles itself.
We always recommend fixing roof damage right away and not waiting until you can afford it. Just because the longer you wait, the materials are going to increase. There could lead to more damages. And we do offer financing that can help get you to the affordable monthly payment that you need. You don't do the repair, you don't do the replacement, it's going to cause more issues down the road, which is going to be a more expensive replacement for you.
More interior damage. It could be rotting to wood, it could be mold, it could be additional drywall damage, and that just increases the total cost of your repair.
We like to take care of damage immediately with mitigating, with tarping. Also, it's good to have someone out there take a look so we get this claim processed and the roof replaced in a timely fashion.
There's going to be a lot of people in the area that are going to be filing claims, and the quicker that we can get you to your claims department and get your claim filed, the quicker it's going to be to get your roof replaced.
If you have any damage to your roof or you know your roof's getting a bit older, please give Pro Restoration a call today. We'll make sure you get a fair, honest inspection.